Lecture number 30. So today we are going to find the angle between a line and a given plane. So as usual, first we will understand the whole outline of the theory with the help of real life mathematical models. So today I am going to use these two things as our mathematical models. This red book we consider as plane, and this beautiful wooden model made of CPT code will be treated as line. So our main objective today is to find the angle. If we put this plane like that and if we put the line like that, our objective today is to find the angle between this line and the plane. Suppose this angle is phi. Now we claim that the angle between the line and the plane is nothing but the complement of the angle between the normal to the plane and the given line. Now what is normal to the plane? As we have discussed in our previous lecture, lecture number 20, equation of a plane in normal form is r vector dot n vector equal to d. Then from, if you go through my previous lecture, then you can easily understand that if we put the plane like in this manner, then n vector is the normal to the plane and its direction must be like this, that is perpendicular to this plane. Now our given line has been put in this manner. So let us consider the angle between this n vector, that is normal to the plane, and this line is theta. Then what is the complement of this angle theta? Is nothing but this remaining angle, that is 90 minus theta. See here again, this 90 minus theta is nothing but the angle phi, what we have considered as the angle between this plane and this line. So our claim is true that the angle between the given line and this plane, that is phi, is nothing but the complement of the angle between this normal to the plane and the line. So here again you can see subtraction plays its important role. So class 12 mathematics we assume as tough, but nothing is tough. Only subtraction, if you understand only subtraction, then you can understand class 12 mathematics also. Our brains, more specifically you can say our thinking, makes mathematics complex, but nothing is complex, everything is very easy. So now as we have seen, this angle between these two, line and plane, that is this angle phi, is nothing but the complement of the angle between the normal to the plane and this given line. So that's all from the mathematical model part. Now we will understand the whole proof deeply with the diagrams in the blackboard. So without wasting any time, let's go to the blackboard.